Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to prepare aloo matar ki sabzi. So let's get started. To the hot oil, I will add in some mustard seeds, some kalonji and some fennel seeds. To this I will add in some chopped onions, some chopped ginger, some garlic paste, and we will cook this until onions are soft. Onion is cooked now. I will add in some asafoetida, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, some coriander powder, some garam masala, some amchur powder or dry mango powder. Mix this. Now I will add in around 4 tablespoons of bhuna masala. Mix. To this I have added around 1 tablespoon of yogurt. We'll mix the yogurt and cook until the oil releases from the gravy. Masala is cooked now. To this I will add in boiled potatoes. I will also add in some boiled peas. Mix everything. We will roast the potatoes for 2 or 3 minutes so that the boiled flavor of potato is gone. Now I will gradually add in water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. And I'll also add some salt to taste and some kasuri methi for some nice flavor. And now we will mix everything and let the gravy boil. So the curry has been boiling for around 5 minutes. I'll turn off the flame now. I will garnish this with some coriander leaves and our gravy is ready to be served. Do give it a try and share feedbacks with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.